Inside your pack, you will have two different kinds of paper, an adhesive sheet and a printable sheet of tattoo paper. The adhesive sheet is what you put on top of the printed tattoo paper. Create and edit the size and shape of your image. Peel off a small amount at the top and place it onto your printed sheet. Then, get a ruler and press down so no air bubbles appear on the tattoo paper. As you can see, this is very easy to do. Then, cut out the design and peel off the film on the tattoo paper to reveal a sticky surface. Get a bowl of water and a towel and wet it. Press the tattoo on the surface of the skin and dab with wet cloth for a few minutes. Peel off to reveal the tattoo. As you can see, the tattoo will be dry and produce a clear image. These temporary tattoos can last up to a week. Get yours at Gecko Paper.